Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel and welcome to another travel vlog. I am in Phi Phi, Thailand. I've come to Thailand quite a few times but never really had the chance to stay in Phi Phi. I'm so excited because I'm here with Saii Phi Phi for the next few days and I'm going to be living my best island girl life. Now this vlog is going to be slightly different because in the past you guys have seen me travel quite a lot and I'm so privileged to say that I've really had the chance to travel the last few years. Traveling is great because it's really helped me learn both about myself and the world. I've usually done super rigorous sightseeing to really maximize my time away so that I can get as much done as possible, really immerse myself in the culture, and that has really left my heart and my mind full. But this time I'm going to be indulging in the art of the do nothing vacation. That's a thing. I looked it up on the internet. According to the internet, to not have a schedule on your vacation is not laziness, it's actually wellness. I'm gonna run with that because especially the month that I've had, it's been crazy and all I really want to do is nothing. So that's what we're gonna be doing. I'm gonna be here at the Phi Phi Island for the next 2 days and I'm really going to try to relax my mind and my body. Before we go ahead with today's video, I do have to show you guys where we're living in this cute little, it's actually not little, it's a huge villa that we're staying in and it's absolutely gorgeous. We have our own private pool. There's a beautiful deck area, 2 bedrooms, gorgeous washrooms, a really cute tub as well. And if all of that wasn't enough, we have the most insane view of the ocean. Now let's go get our day started with some breakfast. This is what I got for breakfast: an omelette, fruits and salad. But more importantly, this is the view that I have while having breakfast. This too. लगा तेरे मुंह पे.
Hi guys, so we're done with our breakfast. We're just sitting here chilling by the ocean.
So basically we've been doing this thing wherein I have this book. Okay, it's like a dictionary, emotional dictionary.
Yeah.
And we've been opening random pages and pages just are for us.
I don't know how they make sense. They're just like meant for you to see.
Okay, so here I have departophobia. It says the anxiety of having to say goodbye, especially to a party where no one wants to leave.
I got one that said
Dines.
The dines, basically deliberately eating the food in front of you, even when you're not hungry, especially because it's free.
It's a cool book. Like, it's not a novel, but it's just like a random
words.
Like
time pass.
Yeah. In case you're wondering, this is what it looks like. Super cute.
So of course, anytime Mridul sees the word massage, she just has to go there. Now per se they have written free massage. Try. So of course she's gone there to take a free massage.
So the plan for today is that there is no plan.
Yeah, we're just gonna go with the flow. Let's see where the day takes us.
I think let's definitely dip in the ocean.
Okay.
Like by the beach, and also use our pool.
Yeah.
We do have our own private pool, as you guys already saw. So those are 2 things that I definitely want to do.
Yeah.
We also have a massage scheduled for today.
In the evening.
We already got one free massage. पीछे से by the way Aditya भी आया लेने के लिए free massage. So yeah, that's basically the plan. हमारा एक activity है पूरे trip के लिए, literally just one, which is an excursion, which is happening tomorrow, which I'm looking forward to.
Yeah.
But I'm also looking forward to just today.
Yeah, just chilling by the pool or in the beach.
So basically a resort इतना बड़ा है that you can't actually, I mean you could walk, but why would you? So basically यहाँ पे buggy system है, and there's an app also. So app के through you can book your buggies.
Yeah.
They'll come pick you up and then drop you wherever you want to. Right now we're going back to our room. This is exactly what I meant by a do nothing vacation. Post breakfast naps. BRB. This is what our lunch looks like. Lunch in bed because breakfast was so good and so heavy. I think रात को all of us should get on a video call and just we've been video calling each other the whole trip.
तो फिर अलग trip ले क्यों रहे?
Sadhu may are in Maldives. Definitely go check out their vlog, guys. And we're in Thailand. We're doing everything other than going and exploring the beach. Aditya is super interested in this.
अरे वो यहाँ पे आता था, क्रश हो जाता था, तो मैं उसको साइड में छोड़
साइड में डाल दे. What is it? Is it a? Oh my God, it's so scary, but pretty at the same time. What is it? Ah!
I think it's a centipede or something.
Centipede ही लग रहा है. हाँ. काफी unique style of using a phone and taking business calls. This is what happens when you keep your international roaming on. Finally, we've made it to the pool and we've decided to pool hop, I guess. Guys, just check out the view. Cannot get over it.
और कुछ ज़्यादा. Maddie in her natural element. The pool is amazing, by the way.
So pretty.
It's very pretty. The temperature is perfect. The view is crazy.
Also, it's called a fun pool for a reason.
Yes.
There's a slide,
Yes.
which Aditya's gonna go on now. There's a kids pool. It's so cute. Done with our little pool day.
Now we're off to our massage.
Perfect end to the day.
Yes.
So we're done with our spa, and I said that that was going to be the greatest part of the day, great end to the day, something like that. But we are here at the Thai restaurant and I'm so excited. I am so excited to have their papaya salad. It's going to be good. I already know it. Also, this is my outfit. Can you see it?
Yeah.
It's very dark. So basically, यहाँ पे 6 o'clock को sunset हो जाता है, and then it's like pitch black. Like the ambience of this hotel is that it's very like dimly lit at night to give you that calming vibe. But yeah, I'm wearing a cord set. I will make sure to link all of my outfits down below because I always get comments for it. This time in particular, I've packed all cord sets so that I don't have to think about what to wear. I can just throw it on and I'm done. This is the vibe of the restaurant. It's called Ruan Thai.
How is your papaya salad?
It's insane. It's spicy, but in the best way possible.
एकदम authentic Thai.
बहुत अच्छा.
Spring rolls भी बहुत मस्त है. Yeah. This is my fried rice with stir fried crab meat. Looks amazing. Mridul has ordered her exotic fried veggies.
I'm also tripping over the spring rolls. Probably the best that I've ever had.
Yeah, they're really amazing.
मेरा नाक बह रहा है from the papaya salad. But it was so good.
Nice. Also, we have live music if you can hear in the background. That's
I'm
amazing.
Also, that is true. It adds to the ambience, but also I'm excited for the dessert.
Yes, mango sticky rice.
It's finally here. I'm sure it's great, but please can you tell us how is it? Struggling. 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 Too good, right?
Amazing.
We're back in our room with our face masks on. We're gonna watch a movie, and that's gonna be it to our day.
My face is not moving.
Oh, it's on my head.
I'm not able to give any expressions.
You're not supposed to.
I'm smiling.
I know you shouldn't be speaking. I am. But anyways, tomorrow is going to be an eventful day, more eventful than today because we have an excursion planned for tomorrow. I'm really looking forward to it. We'll see you guys tomorrow.
See you guys. Bye.
Actually, it's not the end of the night because we're gonna share this. Thailand 7-Eleven and grocery stores have the best snacks and the best chocolates. Welcome to the next day. Today we're going for our 4-hour long tail boat experience. We're going to be stopping at a lot of islands. I'm so excited. It's going to be very beautiful and we're going to be snorkeling as well. That's our boat right here.
Okay.
Aditya's first time without the life jacket in the ocean. He knows how to swim, by the way, but he's just a little scared. You'll be fine. You have the CD right there. You're doing great. You have the life jacket right there. Yeah. But don't use it unless you need it. I'm trying. You're doing a good job. I need to say that my makeup is still intact even after going in the water. Hair isn't, but makeup is.
Maddie in her natural element, enjoying herself. Woo! How's the water? She can't hear me, I guess. ये सारे fishes है हमारे boat के पास. Maddie swim with the fishes.
Fishes are also not scared of you. Like they're like swimming right next to you.
See, they want to come up with you. कितने फिश है भाई. उनको सिर्फ लग रहा है खाना मिल रहा है यहाँ पे ना. धोके खा रहे हैं भाई, धोके.
We're done.
Yes.
So much fun. It was so beautiful.
Amazing. Definitely
Very
you guys
pretty.
should do this.
Yeah. हर बार हम जब भी आते थे, I used to tell Aditya, let's go to Phi Phi, let's go to Phi Phi. Finally.
We've done that.
Amazing. Lots of fun. I don't know how we've made it out of our room because we were so tired,
sleepy.
so sleepy. But we pulled it together. It's our last evening here. Both of us really wanted to see the sunset.
Yeah, we wanted to watch the sunset because yesterday the sunset was very pretty.
So we're hoping to see a very pretty sunset. We're just gonna chill by the pool. The pool is right हमारे पीछे. The pool is called the fun pool and the beach is called the lazy pool.
Beach.
Which
Lazy
is so
beach.
cute. Lazy beach, sorry. My POV, that's the beach. And then here we have Aditya.
Yeah.
And then that's the pool right behind us. This property is just so beautiful and so well made. And Aditya just pointed out that we can see the moon as well. So we are here at the beach house and we're having dinner at 6:30.
Chalta, it's the island life.
Also, check this out. It looks so beautiful. Any place that gives you free bread. I love those restaurants. I am obsessed with bread. And this is exactly what I've been waiting for. We haven't had lunch also because we were on the boat. So I'm so excited for dinner. And just like that, we're leaving. It's our last day.
We're literally boarding the boat.
We're literally boarding. Bye bye, Saii Phi Phi Village. First order of business is food. So we've come to restaurant number 9, second.
Number 9, second restaurant.
Thought confusing है ना, but it's a very popular restaurant and they literally have everything. They have Thai, they have European, they have burgers, they have sushi, they have vegetarian.
Basically everything.
और क्या लिखा है? एक और कुछ pizza. They have everything. Like their menu is like 250 items plus. Like it just keeps going.
Yeah.
And हमने यहाँ पे खाया है पहले भी, and the food is really good. So we've ordered basics like
Spring roll, fish and chips, papaya salad,
fried rice.
Okay.
Food is here with the view of Phuket Street. Looks so good. We're off to Bangla Road. Aditya is taking me around all of these bachelor spots that
Yes, memories.
predictable चीजें कर रहे हैं. No surprise element in this vlog. Can you guys guess where we are? We're at an Indian restaurant. We caved and we've Ordered some garlic naan. ये आदित्य का prawns है. Dal makhni, rice, kanda. It smells so good. Can't not go to a 7-Eleven if you're
Of
in
course.
Thailand. Absolutely need to restock on these for all of us, my friends and family. ये भी हम स्टॉक में उठा के लेके जा रहे हैं क्योंकि ये तो सबका फेवरेट है. And these, I am obsessed with these. Both of us actually. And that's it for this vlog of us doing basically nothing. But I had such a good time and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I'll see you very soon. Bye.